Hello, my name is Ian Earle. I'm a lecturer at the University of Salford teaching digital business skills, and I'd like to welcome you to my tutorial on creating videos. Video presentations play an important role within university assessments and sometimes when applying for jobs. If you've never produced a video before, this could present a difficult and tricky challenge. In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily create a video which can be used to submit in your assignments.
It's important to understand the purpose of the video. For an assignment, there will be a brief explaining what the video should contain. The aims and objectives of the video should be clear in order to create your storyboard and your script. Make sure you understand the brief and what is expected. It will be very difficult to plan ahead without the understanding of what you're supposed to do. Once the objectives are understood, you can begin to plan the script and storyboard. Videos for assessments will need to last for a specific length of time, let's say for example 5 minutes. To complete the brief's requirements, you should plan what you are going to say in relation to the video topic. The best way to start is with a script. Scripts enable you to plan what you want to talk about and for how long. Write down your script and read it aloud to yourself while timing each section with a stopwatch. This tells you the total length of your script, and you can edit your script down to match the length of the narrative. Video making software is available on most devices. For a more professional look, you should use a laptop or desktop. Many devices have their own movie making software installed, which you can use anytime. Alternately, there is plenty of video software available online to download or access via the cloud. All computers in the University of Salford's libraries have video making software already installed and available for students to use for free. Most software programs use the same drag and drop format and are very easy to learn and use. Look around for the best program that suits your needs. Once happy with the script, you can now record the voiceover narrative for your video. Voice recorders are common apps on most computers, tablets and mobile phones. Record your narrative into the device as an audio file and upload it to the video editing software. Speak clearly. You might naturally speak quite fast and may need to slow down so what you say is clearly understood. Now the narrative is recorded, the visual aspects of the video can be planned. Professionals use storyboards to present an early visual idea of what their film or video will look like. Drawing frame by frame develops the visual concept for the video. It doesn't need to be perfect or 100% accurate to the final version, but it will help in develop the style and structure for your video. Pictures, graphs, tables, animations, and other videos which support and emphasize your narrative can be inserted where required. Upload your graphics to the video software and insert them where you want them to appear. You can edit how long graphics are displayed for to match your narrative. Titles, which introduce each section, help to provide style and flow to the video, making it easier for viewers to enjoy. There are many styles to choose from, and you can experiment to find which one suits your video the best. Titles and transitions can be placed between the slides and changed during the editing process if needed. Background music to accompany a video adds a touch of class, and MP4 files can be dropped into the video anywhere. There are libraries of free music which can be downloaded online and used in your video. Or, if you know any music producers, ask if they have an appropriate tune for your video. Once you're happy with your main narrative, slides, titles and music, you can now film your own personal sections to the camera. Cameras found on most devices can be used to film yourself, or ask a friend to record you on a camera or phone. You can film your introduction and closing sections depending on how long you need to appear in your video. You might need to appear in the video for 60 seconds in total. You can split this how you like. For example, 30 seconds at the start for the introduction and 30 seconds at the end for the conclusion. Delivering a piece to camera can be tricky. Professional presenters spend years practicing this, so don't worry if you find it difficult too. Locations are important, so think about where the video should be set. If you are filming outdoors, consider background noise from your surroundings, which might affect the volume of your audio. Practice and be prepared to make errors. Blooper reels can be fun to watch afterwards. Remember, you are presenting yourself in a video. Dress and look professional, as if you're attending a job interview. Once happy with the recording, the video file can be uploaded to the software and edited to get rid of mistakes. Now you can insert your filmed sections into your video where you want them to appear. Videos will need to be exported from the software to your device. Always select MP4 as the output so it can be played on any device and submitted to turn it in. The last graphic to appear should include any references or credits used in researching for the videos. These should be in Harvard 6th AP style as required within academic requirements. You can also credit any contributors to the video, such as camera operators, music creators, or guests. This final graphic only needs to be displayed for a few seconds. The video can be paused if anyone wishes to examine it further.
So, there you have it, my step-by-step guide to creating a video suitable for academic assignments. To summarise, you should prepare, understand the purpose and objectives of your work. Plan the script and storyboard to tell your story. Rehearse and record. Practice different methods before recording the narrative and film sections for your video. Experiment. Find software that suits your needs and try the different functions, titles, transitions and effects to make your video unique. Fine-tune the look and flow of your video in editing and then export and save it to your device. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you have a lot of fun while making your videos. Thank you for watching and goodbye.